Good morning all students. Once again welcome on online classes. In previous lecture of lecture 8 we already discussed that how we will find out the total surface area and the curved surface area of sphere and hemisphere, spherical cell and hemispherical cell. So in today's lecture we will discuss that how we will find out the capacity or how we will find out the volume of a cube and volume of a cuboid. So today we will discuss exercise 13.5. In exercise 13.5 students we will discuss that how we will find out the volume of cube and how we will find out the volume of cuboid. So today we will discuss that volume of cuboid. So what is the volume of cuboid? Firstly, what did you mean by the term volume? Students, volume का meaning क्या होता है? That is the capacity or holding capacity of the cuboid. Meaning is that cuboid inside में कितना water है, कितनी air है, कितनी hold कर सकता है? How much air a cuboid can hold? That is the volume of the cuboid. So volume just meaning is that the capacity of that one, the capacity of that solid is expressed as the volume. Understand? So volume का meaning क्या होगा students? The capacity of that solid is the volume of that solid. उसकी capacity क्या है? Suppose for example we consider that room. So in that room how much air is present? Meaning is that what is the volume of that cuboid which will give us the amount of air which is present in that room. Understand? So now we will discuss that the volume of the cuboid. So we know that in cuboid each face looks like a rectangle. So volume of cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by the height. So volume is L multiply B multiply H, that is the volume of cuboid, which will come centimeter cube over meter cube generally. So generally volume will come either in centimeter cube or will come in meter cube. Now the another unit of volume is liter also, kiloliter also. Then how we will convert, that we will discuss later. Second, in that formula can be made in that form also. L, what is the L value? Volume divide breadth into height. If volume of the cuboid is given to you, breadth value is given to you, height value is given to you, then how we will find out the length of that cuboid? L is equals to volume divided by breadth into height. Next, breadth is volume upon length into height, and height is equals to volume upon L into B. Okay, so if out of 3 their volume is given to you and any 2 parameter is given to you, then with the help of that one formula easily we can find out the third parameter values. Okay, now next is the volume of cube. In cube we know that all sides are equal. Cuboid, cube, basic difference. In cuboid each face looks like a rectangle, in cube all faces looks like a square. Meaning is that in cube L equal B equal H equal A let. लेंथ किसकी इक्वल होती है स्टूडेंट्स? ब्रेड्थ के. ब्रेड्थ किसके इक्वल होती है? हाइट के इक्वल. लेट वी विल कंसिडर A. सो व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम? A multiply A multiply A. So volume will come A cube, that is the volume of cube which will come in centimeter cube over meter. So that volume will come in centimeter cube or meter cube. So what is the volume of the cube? Side cube. Now how we will find if volume is given to you? If volume of cube is given, then side of cube a is equals to v power 1/3. Power 1/3 is meaning that we will take here cube root. In square root, students, we make the pair of two numbers, but in cube root we make the pair of three numbers, three same numbers. स्क्वायर रूट में क्या करोगे आप 2 के पेयर का फॉर्मेशन करोगे, बट इन क्यूब रूट वी फॉर्म हियर द पेयर ऑफ three सिमिलर नंबर्स. Now we will discuss some another units of volume. Units of volume. Some another units of volume is, we know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Liter is also a unit of capacity. Capacity, students, meaning is that capacity का meaning क्या है? That is the volume. So liter is also unit of volume. So 1 liter is equals to how many centimeter cube? 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter किसके कितना सेंटीमीटर क्यूब के इक्वल होगा? 1000 लीटर के. मीनिंग इज दैट इफ वी वांट टू कन्वर्ट लीटर इनटू सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 1000 एंड सेंटीमीटर क्यूब कन्वर्ट इनटू लीटर, देन डिवाइड बाय द 1000. आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट? लीटर को सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करना है, देन किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 5 लीटर? 5000 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. एंड इफ वी वांट टू कन्वर्ट सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इनटू लीटर, देन व्हाट वी विल डू? सेंटीमीटर क्यूब को लीटर में कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे? डिवाइड बाय द 1000. सेकंड, 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 लीटर. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter also. Meaning is that if we want to convert here meter cube into liter, then multiply by the 1000 and a liter convert into meter cube, then divide by the 1000. आपको स्टूडेंट्स क्या करना है? मीटर क्यूब को किसमें कन्वर्ट करोगे? लीटर में, then multiply by the 1000. Liter convert into meter cube, then divide by the 1000. So we consider here one more example based on that conversion. For example, convert 200 centimeter cube into liter. Here volume is given to cubic centimeter is the unit of the volume. So here volume is given to you 200 centimeter cube. आपको वॉल्यूम क्या गिवन है? 200 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. कन्वर्ट किस में करना है? लीटर में. सो हाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इनटू लीटर? सेंटीमीटर क्यूब को लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो सॉल्यूशन इज 200 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू, देखो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब को किस में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो? लीटर में. सो डिवाइड बाई 1000. 200 डिवाइड बाई 1000, 0 0 0, 2/10 0.2 लीटर. सो 200 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 0.2 लीटर. वेलकम. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखो, कन्वर्ट 500 मीटर क्यूब इनटू लीटर. आपको क्या कन्वर्ट करना है स्टूडेंट्स? 500 मीटर क्यूब को लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो हाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट हियर मीटर क्यूब इनटू लीटर? मीटर क्यूब को लीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करोगे? मल्टीप्लाई 1000. सो 5000 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 5000. मीटर क्यूब को किस में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो? लीटर में. 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करवाओ 1000. सो दैट इज 500000 लीटर. वेलकम. अंडरस्टैंड? So firstly you will learn that conversion. लीटर क्यूब को मीटर क्यूब में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है, मीटर क्यूब को लीटर में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है. हाउ विल कन्वर्ट सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इनटू लीटर एंड लीटर इनटू सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Now next, one more unit of that volume also, that is kiloliter. So 1 kiloliter is equals to 1000 liter. Okay, 1 kiloliter, किलो का मीनिंग क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? 1000. So 1 kiloliter is equals to 1000 liter. Understand? So firstly, in given question, before finding out the volume, firstly you will check whether that the length, breadth and height, all three parameters are given to you in same units or not. If not given in same units, then firstly you will convert into same units, then after find out the volume. After that, in question you check whether in question asking volume is in liter or not. So now first example, if length, breadth and height of a box are 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter, then find the volume of such 10 boxes in a liter. In that question, student, what is given to you? In a cuboid, length is given to you, breadth is given to you and height is given to you. Then what you will find out? You will find out here that volume of such 10 boxes, one box dimension is given to you, then you will find out the volume of 10 such boxes. So first one here, length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 20 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter. So what is the volume? LBH, 10 multiply 20 multiply 30, 3 to 6, 6000 centimeter cube will come. So that is the volume of one box. So volume of one box is equals to 6000 centimeter cube. But here the number of boxes are 10. So volume of such 10 boxes is equals to 6000 multiplied with 10 is equals to 60,000 centimeter cube. But in question asking the volume in the form of liter. So students, how we will convert centimeter cube into liter? Centimeter cube को liter में convert करना, then divide by the 1000. So volume of 10 boxes in liter is equals to 60,000 divided by the 1000, cancel, that will come 60 liters. That is the volume of such 10 boxes. Understand student? That is the first type question and very easy question. इसमें कोई problem है? No. So now next question देखो. So in that question, length of the box is given to you, breadth of the box is given to you and height of the box is given to you. Then you make there these type of 10 boxes. Then how we will find out the value, or how you will find out the volume of these 10 such boxes? You firstly you will find out the volume of one box, then multiply by the 10. Second type question देखो. Example second, if the volume of cube is if the volume of cube is given to you 729 centimeter cube, then find the TSA of cube. So here what is given to you students? Volume of cube is given to you 729 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द क्यूब. So student, how we will find out the total surface area of the cube? How we will find out? So to find out the total surface area of the cube, we will require here the side of the cube. But here the side of the cube is not given. Given only volume is given, but side of the cube is not given. So our first work is to find out the side of the cube. So here volume is 729 centimeter cube, but we know that volume of cube is a cube. So what is the volume? A cube is equals to 729 over taking, you can take either cube root also. Now how we will find out the value of a? A cube is equals to 729 आ गया. अब आपको क्या करना है? a की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. So how we will find out the value of a? Firstly we will do prime factorization. 729 3 2 या 6 3 4 12 और 3 3 8 1 3 2 7 3 9 3 3 3 then 1. So we can write here a power 3 is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 power 6, right? So a cube is equals to क्या आ रहा है? 3 power 6 आ रहा है. So taking cube root on both side. So while we are taking the cube root on both side, so what does the meaning of the cube root on both side? Taking power as 1 upon 3. Power क्या फॉर्म होगी? 1 upon 3. So a power 3 whole power 1 upon 3 is equals to 3 power 6 power 1 upon 3. Power upper side power, then powers are multiply. 3 multiply 1 upon 3. 3 power 6 multiply 1 upon 3 cancel a. 3 2 3 power 2 is 9. So what is the student side of the cube? So here side of the cube is 9 centimeter. साइड ऑफ द क्यूब क्या है? 9 सेंटीमीटर है. सो पेयर बना लिया ना यहाँ पर. सो साइड ऑफ क्यूब इज 9 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ व्हाट वी विल फाइंड आउट हियर? आपको क्या फाइंड करना है यहाँ पे? टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द क्यूब. सो TSA ऑफ क्यूब is equals to 6a square, 6 multiply by 9 square, 6 multiply by 81, 6 for 8 centimeter. So here the total surface area of the cube will come 486 centimeter square. Understand? So in given question, firstly volume of the cube is given. आपको क्या given था students? Cube का volume given था, right? Then what we will find out here? Here we will find out the total surface area. So how we will find out the total surface area of the cube? First of all, we will find out here the side of the cube. पहले आप क्या find out करोगे students? आपने इसकी side find out कर ली. After find out the side of the cube, then after you will find out the volume. Sorry, the total surface area of the cube. Understand? Now next type question देखो इसमें और. Next type question is that if volume of cuboid is 240 centimeter cube and their base area of cuboid is 80 centimeter square, then what is the height of cuboid? Students, question firstly read again. What is given to you? If volume of cuboid is 240 centimeter cube and the base area of the cuboid is that 80 centimeter square, then what we will find out height of the cuboid. So in cuboid we know that what is the base area. Cuboid में base area क्या होता है? L into B. So here given to you volume is 240 centimeter cube. Now base area is equals to 80 centimeter square. But we know that in cuboid what is the base area? L into B is 80 centimeter square. अब आपको क्या find out करना है? We will find out here the height of the cuboid. So we know that volume of cuboid is L into B into H. So what is the H? Volume upon L into B. Volume is 240 centimeter cube. L into B is 80 centimeter square. 0, 3 cancel. So what is the height? So the height of the cuboid is 3 centimeter. Understand? So students, these are the basic question based on cube and cuboid related, how we will find out the volume, or if their volume is given to you, then how we will find out the side. Understand? So इस टाइप की क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना. बेस एरिया ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड और टॉप एरिया ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड. इन क्यूबॉइड व्हाट इज द बेस एरिया? L into B. What is the top area also? L into B. Understand? So in today's lecture we discussed that the basic question how we will find out the volume of cube and cuboid. In next lecture we will discuss some important and different type of question that based on the volume of cube and cuboid, that we will discuss in next lecture. Okay, thank you.